If you want a really fun example of this, by the way, guys, if you want a really fun example, go to OpenAI, open a developer account, get access to the API, and write code for ChatGPT. Write code where you can ask ChatGPT prompts from Python. And you will see that even as talented as OpenAI is, do you realize that they send back 5 possible answers for every ChatGPT prompt that you send them? Did you guys know that? You can really only see it if it's in the API. In the API, it'll show you the 5 most probable answers. So even a big company like them who has, hundreds of people, maybe thousands of people working for them, even they, tell you, hey, here are the 5 most likely answers, right? So that's one of the things you always have to keep in mind as a data scientist, because you will be burned in the future by an algorithm that's wrong. I guarantee you that'll happen in your career. It'll happen multiple times in your career, right? So keep that in mind, okay? Algorithms don't always give you the answer, they give you the most probabilistic answer. But let's see if anybody else in the chat wants to contribute to that. I'm just giving my view. That's all I'm giving you, okay? But do the OpenAI exercise, it's fun. Uzman Ahmed, Uzman, did you introduce yourself? I don't think I've seen you before. Let us know where you're from. Hello, sir.